Hey, what's up? This is Ihor from myhexwell.com. Today we're gonna talk about integrating Kotlin programming language into your Android apps. It's extremely easy. First thing you need to do is add those lines to your module. You need to apply plugin, add the Maven Central Repository dependency, class path, and one more line, this one, compile standard library with the current version of 1.0.6, and that's it. You can sync your project. Android Studio will suggest you to install Kotlin plugin if you haven't installed it, and that's it. You can use Kotlin in your projects. What's great about it is that you don't have to switch completely to Kotlin. You can still use Java and Kotlin side by side. Plus, Android Studio gives you the amazing integration. It helps you to convert Java to Kotlin. You just select class, you choose code, convert Java to Kotlin, and boom, you've got your Kotlin. Or you can just use Ctrl-Alt-Shift-K shortcut. Back to setting up. Yeah, if you don't want manually each time you create new projects, like adding those lines, those lines, you can automate it so IDE automatically generates it with every new project you create. If you don't know how to use a free marker, I have an amazing blog post about Android templates. Or you can just download this GitHub repository, replace your templates directory with this one. So on Linux, that's where I got this Android Studio plugins Android library templates. That's the Android templates that IDE uses. Replace the whole directory with this one, and you'll get data binding enabled, Kotlin, Retro Lambda. All this stuff is gonna be generated by default with every new project, so you don't have to do nothing with those dependencies. Yeah, you can go through the code and check. It's a free marker, pretty obvious syntax. You can modify it. Alright, so let's get to the first plant of all Java objects. Private fields, constructor, getter, setters, right? Everything basic. Converted to Kotlin, it's just one line. And there is no public. Public is a default visibility. And the whole thing is just in one line. Let's see if it actually works right. You can still use it in Java. See all the constructor fields there. Getter, setters as well. That's amazing. And yeah, you can convert any class. It's just shortcut. So you don't even need to use the reference. Like if you don't know something, you just write in Java, then convert Kotlin, write in the IDE. That's it. The second one I would think is null safety. It's huge in there. Just see what they got. They just thought of every aspect that Java isn't good with the modern languages, and they improved it. Null safety is huge. They have the nullable and non-nullable reference. Let's convert this class to Kotlin. Alright, have got a variable. By default, it's non-null reference, so you cannot assign it to null. Compiler says you cannot do that. If you want, that's safe already. If you want to have it nullable, you add this question sign. Then you can assign it to null, right? And quite often you have to wrap your expressions with the if not null. For example, we have our nullable movie reference, and we don't even need to wrap it with any if statements. This question mark after the name is it checks for null reference. If it's null, then nothing is called here, so you're not gonna get null pointer exception. If you do want to get one, you replace it with the 2 exclamation marks. So this is the same as this one. There is lots of improvements. Just go ahead and check out the reference here. Just set up your apps in Java and just replace all the Java code with Kotlin, learn and have fun with Kotlin. It's a nice language. I just want to point out again this repository for templates and this post for just an overall view of how Android templates work, where to find it, how to change them, and where to replace. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.